This podcast is about two dogs in a trench coat go to school. This book is about a boy named Stuart who has two dogs, Waldo and Sassy. Every day the boy comes home from school sad. The dogs think it is because there is an evil overlord at the school. The dogs find a trench coat in a closet and go to school to rescue Stuart. Everyone except Stuart believes the dogs are a student named Salty from Liver, Ohio. Because oddly the dogs can talk, a lot of funny things happen. Now I have Stuart here to answer some questions. Thanks for coming today, Stuart.
No problem.
Were you surprised to see your dogs at school pretending to be a student?
Yes, and surprised that they could talk.
What? Something funny that happened with them at school?
The dogs chased Squirrel on the playground and it ran into the school and jumped on everyone's heads.
So was there an overlord at your school?
No, I was just stressed about a class project.
Then were they able to help you with the project?
Yes, they did.
How did a couple of dogs help you?
They told me to do the project of squirrels, something they are experts on. They told me about what they eat, the sense of smell, and how they climb up and down trees.
Now that your project is done, are the dogs still going to school?
Oh, yes. They had so much fun. They have kept coming. You can read about it in the next book, Two Dogs in a Trench Coat Start a Club by Accident. It's hilarious. Buy it today on Amazon.com.
Thank you, Stuart.
No problem.